Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Sunday. Tis I. I just sat here and made some new components. I made some new spacers. These spacers are, I'm calling these my rope spacers. So these are made to look like rope. You know how rope looks, it's twisted together by strands of course, rope. And then you get something that looks like this. So these are my new spacers. I'm going to use these to make a bracelet really quick. Just to give me an idea before I make any more, if they're going to do what I want them to do, you know, or look like what I want them to look like, I'm going to be pairing them with some beads I painted. So we're going to use these orange beads with the black and white on here. So let's get this party started. Let's see what we come up with. And these are the 20 millimeter beads that I'm using. And the wire was made using 18 gauge aluminum wire. The link to buy this wire is in my is in the description to the Amazon store. So we're gonna do this real quick. See what we come out looking like. If it come out looking like what we want it to look like, and then we, you know what, we own to something, okay? So I'm going to turn this spacer around this way so I can get it as flat as I can against the bead. So that's going to give us what we want to start with. And I'm thinking I'm out of the frame. I'm going to have to be careful with that. So we're going to go ahead and put another bead on. Grab another spacer. Put another bead on. Bracelets are real quick and easy, so this is not going to take too much at all. Put another spacer on. And then see what we come up with so far. I like it already, right? And then I've been gonna put some charms on here. So I'll see. Just experimenting. Seeing what I'm gonna come up with. And if I like it once I'm all done with everything, and of course I'll make more of them. Oh, look at how that bead came out. Like it's cut or something. I still painted this baby. Imperfection. I like it. So we're gonna put it on here. That one, let's go on this side. And then we're gonna put this bead, this spacer. And then we're gonna put another bead. And this is a pretty big spacer. So we're gonna put this one here. We're gonna go to the other side. And then we're gonna put another bead. Oops, I put it back to back. So we're gonna put a spacer. We're gonna put another bead. Oops. All right, so let's see what that looks like. Look at that. That's jazzed. That's really jazzed. Very different, and I think it'll look really pretty with some charms dangling from it. But let's see, we're gonna do this. Let's see. Oh wow, that's really nice. You know what? And then I'm gonna let's put one of these small beads right here on here just to, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie it off. Tie it nice and tight. And because this is that 1.5 millimeter cord, I'm going to double it here. I'm going to pull it nice and tight at the bottom, stretching it. One more. Pull it nice and tight. And then I'm going to just do it once. And then I'm going to do it twice. 1, 2. Pulling it nice and tight. And I can tie it as many times as I want because the hole is pretty big. So pull it nice and tight. Do one more. Nice and tight. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the extra off, which was a lot this time. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull the cord through that bead and then hide it. So then, this is what we come out with. And then if you can, dang, I didn't grab no more, I'll be doing that every time, shoot. Let me do this. I'm going to use the wire like it's a bracelet. So then we're going to close that all up and around. We're going to put that on there. Let's just throw a couple of, like it's a bracelet. And if you got some gold bangles or some other type of, the person got gold bangles or they got some other like 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, even 10 millimeter beaded bracelets, they can go ahead and mix in with, I'm coming out of frame, with this bracelet, and then making sure that the colors match really well. This is really nice. I like this too. So this is what we did. Made us a nice little bracelet using that aluminum wire. So these are some hand painted beads. So we hand painted the beads. And then we got us some 18 gauge wire, aluminum wire. And then we went ahead and twisted that wire, cut off the end of it to make it even. And then the video for how to make these spacers, or I'm attach it to this video. And then you can find the wire, the 18 gauge wire, exactly what I use. There's a link in the description to my Amazon store. So you can find the wire in there if you want to make some of these spacers, or if you want to make some of the other charm spacers that I made in a previous video. I'll link both of those, and I'll link both videos. The video for how to make these spacers, the rope spacers, and how to make the charm spacers. So I'll link those both in this video. But I like the way this came out. What you guys think? Let me know. I like it. Really, really cool. Very different. See, this is for those sister girls, or even men, who like to wear very different, very unique pieces. Like something, when you walk into a room, your accessories get all the attention before you do. That's the type of stuff I like to make. This is really, really nice. The beads, hand painted beads, and then those rope spacers. Wow, that's nice. I like those. But anyway, family, make it a great day, and guess what? We'll talk. Oh, also, new subscribers, thank you for joining us here on the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I do hope whatever made you subscribe, you do see more of that. If it's just for jewelry making ideas, if it's just for inspiration, if it's just to watch the videos, that's cool stuff too. Thank you for hitting subscribe, and even for liking and commenting and all that good stuff. It really does make a difference. And know that I appreciate you. Be sure to enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll talk.